This is the new VR headset released by Jio. They have released an app called Jio Immerse that has VR videos in it. Jio has also launched an option in Jio Cinemas to watch in VR. In the Jio Immerse app, you can either watch Jio Cinema or watch 360-degree VR videos from YouTube. Right now, the price of this headset is 1299 rupees. I was always skeptical about VR headsets and stuff. I really didn't believe that these things can provide that immersiveness as shown in the advertisements. But this does provide a great experience. This VR headset doesn't have any tech inside. Like, it itself is not a device. It itself cannot show any visuals. It just have two convex lenses. It is all in the Jio Immerse app. The app has VR videos which can be viewed using this VR headset. You need to play a VR video on your mobile device and put it inside this headset. Seeing this headset, you might think it is heavy, but it is not. It is very light. You won't feel anything heavy while wearing it. It is very comfortable to wear. These soft cushions make it very comfortable to wear. The elastic band is strong and rigid. Build quality is amazing. For this price, I didn't expect this much build quality. It is made out of plastic, but the quality is really amazing. As I said earlier, this thing does not have any tech inside. These convex lenses are the thing that makes the screen look really big. With this headset, you can watch movies on a 100-inch TV. In the Jio Immerse app, it has 360-degree viewing. If you play a VR video in Jio Immerse app, there will be a big 100-inch TV screen in front of you. And if you turn around, you will see furniture, tables, flower vases and things like that to make it feel like you are inside a house. Also, you can watch live IPL as if you are sitting in the stadium. You can really turn around and see people and watch IPL as if you are there. The VR experience is quite great. It does provide immersive experience. For watching a VR video, you need to put your phone inside the headset. You can open it by pressing this button and place your phone here. Your phone's size must be 6.7 inch or less in order for it to fit in here. It supports up to 6.7 inch display. Then you need to close this. Be careful not to press this button again while the phone is inside. If you press it, this thing will open and your phone will fall down. Here you can adjust the lenses. You can adjust the lenses according to your eye. You can move the lens closer or away from the eye by moving this wheel. You can also adjust the sideways distance between the two lenses. There's also a button at the bottom of your VR headset that you can use to control video playback, allowing you to pause the video or skip to the next part. In the app, you can watch both movies in Jio Cinema and also 360-degree videos from YouTube. I cannot capture the VR experience on camera, but I'll try my best. So this was a sneak peek of how it looks if you wear these glasses. It won't be like as shown on the screen. You won't see two separate screens. It will be just one big screen. In the Jio Immerse app, they have announced that they will launch Jio glasses very soon. Jio is trying to take the movie watching experience on their platform to the next level. They released this headset and added a VR feature in their Jio Cinemas app. Now there are more features available in the Jio Immerse app. There are many small games in the app which you can download and play using the headset. If it releases at this affordable price, then Jio will gain more attention in the movie streaming industry. People don't buy VR headsets because they are expensive and there is no necessity for that. But Jio providing this VR-like experience at low price is innovative. You can really watch movies in a big 100-inch TV for just 1299 rupees. There are cons too, mainly concerns about the eye problems that it might cause if you wear it. I don't know if VR headsets cause any harm to our eyes, but I felt a little uncomfortable after wearing it for some time. It's up to you whether you should buy it or not. I don't really recommend using it for long. So this was my review of the Jio VR headset. What are your opinions about this headset? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Android Logbook for more videos like this. See you in the next one.